Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for spending some time with me and my sleepy sidekicks today. One's awake, one not so much. Tell everybody hi and happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. So today's Wednesday, but I am going to be posting this tomorrow on Thanksgiving. Wyatt, can you tell everybody happy Thanksgiving too? Say hi. There we go, he woke up for a minute. Say happy Thanksgiving. Say I'm so thankful for all of you. Which I am also thankful for all of you. So I want to give a huge shout out to all of you who have spent so much time with me this year and helped me grow my channel. I could not be more humbled and thankful and I don't know what the right word is, full of gratitude to all of you for the amount of time, support, comments, all of the amazing sharing that you've all done with me throughout this past year and helped my channel grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I wish you a very, very happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And I want to bring you one more video today in case you have some quiet time to yourselves and choose to spend it with me today. I have a Glamour Jewelry Box, so we'll keep it short and sweet today and wanted to share it with you. Love Glamour Jewelry Box, one of my favorite jewelry subscriptions. You get, if you can choose to sign up to get one item if you so choose. If you did, it is $14.95 to get one item plus $3.50 shipping. Otherwise, you get 3 pieces, which work out to be $9.95 I think a piece, or $9.93 a piece plus $3.50 shipping. So it's like $29.79 plus $3.50. So like, what does that work out to? Like $33, something like that. Comes monthly. You can choose to skip any month or cancel at any time. Comes in this very pretty little bag. This is Glamour Jewelry Box. Love it. It is high quality jewelry. It's so convenient because it just comes once a month. Nice and easy. And you do get on trend as well as classic pieces. And I love that it always comes in a set. So you do fill out a short profile. You can choose what metals you want to get. So they do have rose gold, gold, and silver. I'm already liking this set. All right, so first up, you do get several little cards that tell you about the jewelry, and usually there is a little care card as well. All right, first up, a bracelet. And here's what it looks like inside the plastic. And look at that, it's like a little love knot. You guys see that? Look how cute that is. It's always adjustable, should fit anybody. It's called the Knot Cuff. Who doesn't love a comfortable cuff with its delicate knot detail? This cuff is smooth and perfect for layering or wearing solo. Retail price is $18. So you pay around $30 to get all 3 pieces, and each set is valued around $75 every month. So here's what it looks like on. And you could probably tighten it if you wanted to, or leave it a little bit looser. Isn't that cute? So I still have some room. I could tighten it up a little bit. Isn't that cute? So basic, but I really like it. All right, let's see what else I got. Ooh, necklace. Each set does come with a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. Here's what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it out of here to give you a closer look. Maybe not. All right, we'll get it out of here one way or another, right? All right, I got it. This is so pretty. This necklace is so pretty. Look at this. So I love that little, like almost like a half circle there. Has some serious sparkle to it. So delicate. I really like that. So this is called the Athena Necklace. It says, this classic curved beauty stands the test of time. It makes for a perfect transition from work to an evening out. And the retail price is $28. And this is from the Sophia collection. The knot cuff was from the Laurel and Rose collection. I can't remember if I said that. This is really pretty. All right, so I got it on. Look how delicate and pretty this is. I really like it. Yeah, I think that looks really pretty. Do you like it? I really like it. Here's the bracelet again with it. I think it looks really nice. I think it has some major sparkle to it. Really pretty. Okay, the earrings. Last but not least. All right. Oh, these are really pretty. I love dangles. These are really nice. Okay, so these are called the Skyline Earrings, and these are also from the Sophia collection. And look at these. I like how they have that little drop, which I just dropped it. Trying to show it to you. So here's what it looks like. It is on a post. And look at that fun sparkle. Sparkle. I think this subscription would make a great gift now that the holidays are coming as well. And since you can cancel at any time, you can probably sign up for maybe like 3 months and then cancel if you wanted to get this for somebody, or even for a month. They also have had a sale going on where you could just buy individual items as well. So you could shop some items from the previous collections and just buy those. So I do think that for someone who loves jewelry, this would be a great gift idea, because you get some really pretty pieces at a really great price. Oh, I love these. I think the earrings are so pretty and delicate, and I love that they drop a little bit here. I like this little bar. Looks really nice with the necklace. What do you guys think? Love. Really love these. I like to layer my necklaces too when they're a little bit thinner like this. So I think this would be a great one to layer another necklace above it or below it if you wanted to. So here's the earrings. So pretty. Love them. All right, well, I think I'm set for today. I have my jewelry on now. Here's the bracelet again. There's all 3 pieces. I'm really liking them. Never disappointed with my Glamour Jewelry Box. Never. They're just so pretty. So pretty. These earrings are gorgeous. All right, so the Skyline Earrings, it says stunning, simple to wear. These dangle earrings are lightweight, yet add a flair of elegance to your look. The modern design with a hint of shine pairs well with any style, and the retail price is $25. And this is also from the Sophia collection. And that's all 3 items. I love them. I love them. So pretty. Oh, well, this was fun. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today. I so appreciate it. I will put the link to Glamour Jewelry Box down below, and I'll list these items for you in case you want to check them out. I do have so much fun with this subscription. I think it's a really great value, and I love that these pieces just show up. They are yours to keep for the $29.79, I think, for the 3 pieces, plus the $3.50 shipping. Or as I said, you can sign up to get 1 piece a month if you prefer, and that one is $14.95 plus $3.50. So pretty. And then I would assume you fill out your profile as to which pieces you like. Maybe you want to get earrings or necklaces, or maybe you do want to mix it up. But I think these are such pretty pieces and would make a great gift idea. So speaking of which, that means that it is the time to start shopping for gifts, right? It is that time of year already, which I can't believe it. How is that possible? I have an awesome video planning to post for tomorrow for Black Friday. So check it out because it also has a Black Friday deal and is another awesome gift idea, I think, in my opinion anyway. So excited to be sharing that one with you and already have it planned. Don't forget to check out Mott & Bow. This is a sweater from Mott & Bow, and they have an awesome Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal going on. So if you wanted to check out any of their awesome premium brand jeans or basics, you're going to want to check it out during the Black Friday to Cyber Monday sale because it's 25 to 35% off. Old Navy, I think, is 50% off for Black Friday. Best Bell, who has the most awesome jewelry as well, they're running 20% off. What else? You're going to want to check all of these awesome deals out from Glamour Jewelry Box. And yeah, there's so many great sales out. So have an awesome, awesome Thanksgiving. Have fun Black Friday shopping. Check out all these awesome deals. And until next time, everybody, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and have an awesome time with your family. Till next time.